Hi, welcome. In this video, I want to talk once again about the word behavior. Again, talking about a prior video about at a response level, about how that word is kind of being misused, okay? Brought in the wrong way, based again on the current state of the relationship. Once a relationship problem is underway, the dot that's not being connected in terms of at the relationship level, dogs are social animals. But here in this video, I want to continue with this whole word behavior, because one of the things you'll hear through this idea about training being a learning-based exercise, I talk about superficial language, but superficial process, is one of the words is that, you know, the behavior doesn't happen again, okay? So you talk about, you know, either using a correction on a dog, but then again, attached to that is that word again, very superficial. Because again, what I tie this in is in terms of relationship. You know, I talk about mind and body, dog's level of what I call stinking thinking, okay? The role of influence in a proactive way, engaging the right way by way of a intentional interaction-based approach. Now, the right way, okay, to reconcile certain, say, reactivity issues with dogs, okay, at a relationship level, and again, tying this into the parenting example with a selfish child, okay, in terms of relationship, in terms of a child's selfishness, how selfishness manifests itself in various ways. You know, I talk about a expressed state. Okay, so you can, you know, the end result, you can tie it into that in terms of a behavior, a bad behavior. But the point is, those bad behaviors are happening at a relationship level because the child is selfish, okay? Like, that's the tie-in. Understand, that's the depth of what I'm talking about. So carrying this over to dogs as social animals. And so I talk about as dogs gain more and more control in the relationship, it's manifesting and being expressed, okay? The end result being a bad behavior. But you have to tie this in terms of the dog's state of mind, okay? By way of relationship. Dogs are social animals. So when I talk about a bad behavior, I'm talking about more, and this keys you into the dog's state of mind, because again, this is where you'll, if you pay attention, okay, as control is being manifesting and being expressed through the dog's state of mind, if you look and pay attention, you'll see, this is why I talk about these balanced dog trainers not keyed into this at all, in terms of the dog's level of stinking thinking. You'll see that dog looking, head pivoting, fixating in on supply sources, okay? Supply means that they're targeting, okay? It's not just kind of casually looking around. They're scoping and targeting, and then they're locking in. And this is where another dog comes into the picture or whatever it is, and it's a very intensive manifestation for some dogs, because that's the thing. So the issue about normalcy, okay, we talk about, well, when does a look become just a look? You'll see that change happening through the transition of the right process. Okay, where the dog starts to just, there comes a point where you're not, okay, interrupting. Influence takes on a different role. You're not interrupting that way. Okay, so again, it's the same problem. Behavior is the kind of delay. It's the end, you know, how they kind of see things, but in a way that, again, it really represents how they use certain words, the fact they're not dialed in that way. Okay, so again, when I'm talking, okay, it's depth, okay, for a reason, because this all goes into, you know, relationship change. So anyway, just something to think about. Again, thanks for watching.